In the fast-paced world of consumer electronics, the unsung hero driving innovation is often the cable assembly. These critical components can mean the difference between a product that dazzles and one that disappoints. Let's dive into why they matter. Custom cable assemblies are tailored connections that ensure electronic devices function seamlessly. From simple wire harnesses to complex multi-conductor cables, these assemblies are essential in optimizing performance, especially in devices where space is limited and efficiency is crucial. Selecting the right manufacturing partner is vital for success. Look for experience and expertise in the consumer electronics field. Ensure they have rigorous quality assurance processes to meet industry standards. Customization capabilities are crucial, offering a range of materials and configurations to match your specific needs. Speed to market is essential. Choose a partner who can deliver quickly without compromising quality. Lastly, consider cost-effectiveness, balancing quality and affordability. Custom cable assemblies are indispensable across various electronics sectors. In smart devices, they handle data and power efficiently. Audio and visual equipment require interference-free signal transmission. Gaming devices need robust, fast data transfer, while computers and peripherals rely on reliable connectivity. Circuit Assembly stands out with decades of expertise in custom cable assemblies. We exceed industry standards with our rigorous quality control. Our tailored solutions cater to your unique project needs. Our swift turnaround times ensure you reach the market faster, and our competitive pricing offers exceptional value without compromising quality. Ready to elevate your consumer electronics project? Choose Circuit Assembly. Like and subscribe for more insights.